Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the airline reservation system, aircraft stuff. Okay, the aircraft, this is the flight details. So flight ID, aircraft number, model and capacity. These are the fields are there. So here what you're going to do is if you want to add additional fields, you will be able to add it. So we have these are the fields I'm going to add it. Okay. So our aircraft, these are the entities. So I'm going to go to my project. Here I'm going to get to make the migration part. So here I'm going to open up the terminal. Click on this in the terminal. This terminal I'm going to, you already have a migration. We have done the migration. Make model. So we have a controller migration. Okay. So here we have to create the migration, which is a PHP artisan make migration aircrafts. Aircrafts. Aircraft. Crafts. The table. Aircrafts table. Press enter key on your keyboard. The migration has been successfully done. So here what you're going to do is here I'm going to make the things which is a string, table string. This one should be the aircraft IDs they are automatically given, aircraft number. So number, aircraft number, aircraft, so air number, we just click air number. So the model, so it's a model, the same thing, it's a model. So the capacity model. So let's do only the model, right? Okay. So if you want rest of it, you will be able to add it. So here let's save all. Again, you have to do the migration part. PHP artisan migrate. Migrate. Press enter key. The table has been migrated successfully. Now what you're going to do is we have created the table successfully. Now I'm going to go to the create the controller, which is a we have to create a controller which is a aircraft controller. So we'll make the aircraft controller. Okay. So what you're going to do is here I'm going to make the controller. So we ask the model controller. Right. So yeah, this one should be the aircraft controller. Aircraft. Press enter key. Controller has been created successfully. After that, we have to create a model. Aircraft model. So if you no need to type again by again, you already done. So we have to do this aircraft model. Aircraft. Okay, aircraft model. All the things are done. Right. So we have done the controller model and everything. Now what you're going to do is here. So all things are done. So now we are going to go to the controller section. So in controller section also here it's there. So they are same thing. I have just copy and paste this controller. So the flight master or passenger controller, it will take the passenger controller. The same thing. Let's make the changes. Okay. So all the things will just copy it, paste on over here. So all things sort of paste it over here. Let's change it. Right. So this one, all the things we have to change it. Okay. So here the aircraft, all the things are changed as aircraft stuff. Right. So after the models, so the model also we have a flight master model, same thing. We have to change it also. Just copy it. Okay. This is how we have to do the projects. Okay. Once you've done it, you don't. Now let me change this one. So go to the aircraft migration. Just these are the fields we have to edit. So you have to go to the migration folder. Right. So this one you have to put it here, the model, aircraft number, another one is a model. So two attributes are there. So I put some number and model. Rest of it I'm going to remove it. So here we have the table name which is a aircrafts. Right. Now let's file save all. Now let's file save all. These things you have to save all. That's the thing you have to do it. Now what you're going to do is here. I'm going to go to my views folder. That's my view. right here. So here first, before that, I'm going to go to create a controller. So here this one you have to make it as aircraft. Aircraft. We have to create a video aircraft. You have to change this one as an aircraft. Here to model we have to get the data aircraft. You have to right click, rename, and put it over here aircraft. The model true we have to get the result of aircraft. So index page we have to write the aircrafts. Right? Response. Right here to go to the page which is a aircraft.index page. Right? Okay, so the all things you have to make this one also the aircrafts. The passenger also you have to get the aircraft. This aircraft you have to make as here. This also aircraft. Right, so the edit also you have to all the changes all aircraft. Right, only the thing you have to make it as this all thing you have to change as aircraft. Nothing to do anything else. The passenger all things you have to change it as aircraft. Right, this all things I have explained. So the only the thing you have to do it here as all things passenger you have to change it as a aircraft. So you have nothing to do the things, right? Okay, this is a model. So view part also the same thing. The passenger, all the passenger, this photo I just copied. Say the pages you have to paste it over here, right? So I'm going to get a copy. This copy I need to make it as a, this one as a yeah, what's the thing? Yeah, craft. C-R-A-F-T, aircraft. Aircraft, you have to aircraft. Just not aircraft, aircraft. Right. That's the thing you have to do it. Right. Now let's file save all. Now let's aircraft. Click index page. Your changes as aircraft. Right. So this one index page you also store aircraft. Just name aircraft name. Gender we no need them. So you have to change this one as a air number model. Air number model. Aircraft number model. You have to no need them. You have to get rid of these lines. Only two fields are there. Scope the aircraft store action method. So here this one also that we have to get this one the data is loaded. Number model. So the store the field you have to get rid of this one. So okay, we have to this one as a yes is coming from the same field. Aircraft this name aircraft. Keys aircraft. Aircraft number. Air number model. Aircraft model. Aircraft. Aircraft. Craft. That's it. Let's file save all. Right, the same thing you have to do it as edit page as well. Here also we have to all the things you have first you have to make sure it's working fine or not. Let's go here. You have to make it as this one aircraft. So before that we have to make the route as well. Aircraft. Aircraft we have to rename it aircraft. Right. So let's copy this, we'll paste it over here. Aircraft, right. Right. When the URL is coming slash aircraft, this goes to the page which is the aircraft. So the aircraft not found. What's the problem? The controller. Let's rename it this one. All right. The problem is I got it. We have to go to here. We didn't call the model. So model. So we have to call the same thing as the model here. The model we have to paste it over here. This model we have to call it as aircraft. This one. Rename it as aircraft. Right. Now let's rename it. When the pages aircraft index is not found, so what's the problem? Aircraft, sorry, the name could be different here. This aircraft, this name also, this name is different. Aircraft. That control is save. Now let's bring back to the application again. Undefined variable aircraft. Where's the here? Aircraft, undefined variable aircrafts. Right. So the problem is aircrafts. This one, this response aircrafts. Okay, the aircrafts. Okay. So this one is goes to there, this page. So let's make it as aircraft. This name. Copy this. Here also go over here. Aircrafts. Aircraft. Aircraft. Right. Now it's working. Now let's add the aircraft number. HA001 model something the model. Undefined variable aircraft. Where's the problem? Here is a problem here. The idea craft edit this one. What's the problem? Refresh it. Right, it's working. Now it's here. It's working successfully. I hope you guys you understood things well. Now, if you want to add another aircraft number, HE001, some model number, I'm going to explain the model. Click register button. This model is set up. Right, it's working fine. Now aircraft is done successfully. The edit page also you have to do the edit page. Okay, the same thing. You have to change the passenger as edit page as I did it in the flight master and passenger table. If I do all the things, take too much of time to complete it. I hope you guys will understand things well. Let me continue my video in my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.